Hey, what's up guys? So recently I ordered this case for my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm version. This case comes from Caseology, and I've been looking to protect my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic against any scratches or dings and stuff like that. So I ordered this case and I want to see how this one works. It is made up of plastic, as you can see from here, but at the top they have given it a soft touch feel and look. There are cutouts for buttons on the right side, and then there's a cutout for the rotating bezel. Other than that, it protects the bezel and the body of the watch entirely. Just we have this cutout, and then we have a cutout for speakers here. So what I'm looking for is that it protects my watch, but at the same time allows me to rotate the bezel freely without any friction. Also, I want to see how easy it is to put on and take off the watch, because if I want to do it on daily basis, which I do intend to do, I want it to be a hassle-free experience, unlike this Spigen case that I have already tried. It's a good case that gives a fair bit of protection to the watch, and you can rotate the bezel very easily from this window here. But it's a big hassle to put it on and then take it off. You also have to take off the bands of the watch. I've already made a video about this one. I will link it in the description or at the end of this video. You can watch it. But that's what I want to see on this Caseology case, whether it solves the problem or not. So let's go ahead. Now I can see that it is really easy to put on because it's a clip-on type thing. You don't need to take off the bands of the watch. So all you have to do is slide it on and slide over to the other side, and there you go, it's on your watch. There's a cutout for buttons, and you can easily feel your buttons. On the Spigen case, these cutouts are really flush with the buttons and they are really flat, so you don't feel the buttons, and it's really not a good experience to press the buttons. But here I can feel the buttons bulge and I can easily press them. That's a good thing here. Now here we have the cutout for the bezel, so let's try this one out. Now there is a bit of friction when you are rotating the bezel. It's not a frictionless experience. You have to apply a bit of force to rotate the bezel, as compared to Spigen, which allowed me to rotate the bezel really freely. Also, I am worried about what it will do to the bezel if there is any friction and if it is getting scratched to the inside of this case. I don't want any scratches on my bezel. We have this lip here on this side where you rest your finger or thumb to rotate the bezel, but there is no such thing on this side. And now let me put this on my wrist and see how it looks. Now I have to say it does look nice because it gives this matte black finish to the entire watch and protects it fully. I like that, but rotating the bezel is a bit of a hassle. It's not as free as I would like, but otherwise it does look nice because of this matte black finish and color. But there is one thing though, it completely changes the look and feel of your watch. You can never tell what watch you're wearing inside, whereas the Spigen case maintains the look and feel of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. It does not overcome or hide the shape of the watch, but this one does. I like it for the fact that it's easy to put on. You don't need to take off your bezel. The buttons are easily pressable. They are not flush with the cutouts, and I don't like that you have to apply a bit of force and pressure to rotate the bezel. Now let's go ahead and take it off the watch and see how easy it is. So I'm gonna just force it over, and there you go. That's it. That's how you take it off. So there are definitely some pros and cons here for this band. Pros: easy to put on, easy to take off. You can do it every day, multiple times a day if you need to. Cutouts are very good. You can easily press the buttons or feel the buttons as well. Cons: it hides the shape of the watch, so you cannot tell what watch you're wearing underneath. You need to apply some force to rotate the bezel, which is not a seamless experience. And if I take a look at the bezel, I am not seeing any scratches or anything from the undersurface of the case that was protecting the bezel, not inside, not out. But that is something you get to know after using it for a while, weeks or months. So yeah, that's the Caseology case for Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm version. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Which one of these two cases will you be buying, and why, or if there is any other better case out in the market. Let me know, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.